Unlocking the secrets of class participation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the nuances of the English language and make learning an exciting journey for you. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries behind a very important phrase that you might encounter in educational settings: class participation. Understanding this concept is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about grasping an essential part of the academic culture in English-speaking countries. So, let's get started and find out what class participation really means and why it matters. Class participation refers to the involvement or engagement of students in the learning process during a class. It's not just about being physically present in the classroom. It's about being mentally and actively engaged with the content, the teacher, and fellow students. This can include asking questions, contributing to discussions, sharing insights, and even participating in group activities. The idea is to foster a lively and interactive learning environment where everyone feels encouraged to contribute their thoughts and learn from each other. You might wonder why there's so much emphasis on class participation. Well, it serves multiple purposes. Enhances learning. Active participation helps you understand the material better by discussing it and applying it in real time. Builds communication skills. Regularly engaging in class discussions sharpens your ability to express your thoughts clearly and confidently. Promotes critical thinking. When you participate, you're often challenged to think critically about the subject matter, which deepens your comprehension and analytical skills. Fosters a sense of community. By contributing to discussions, you become an integral part of the learning community, making the classroom a more welcoming and inclusive space. Improving your class participation can be daunting, especially if you're not used to speaking up in class. Here are some tips to get you started. Come prepared. Do your readings and assignments beforehand. Being prepared will give you the confidence to contribute meaningfully to discussions. Listen actively. Good participation starts with good listening. Pay attention to what others are saying, and think about how you can contribute to the conversation. Ask questions. If you're unsure about something, ask. Questions can spark important discussions and show that you're engaged. Share your perspective. Your experiences and insights are valuable. Sharing them can add depth to the class discussion and encourage others to share too. Practice respect. Always be respectful to your classmates and their opinions. A supportive environment encourages more participation from everyone. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of class participation and given you some useful strategies to enhance your own engagement in class. Remember, class participation is a skill that gets better with practice, and it's a valuable part of your educational journey. So, take a deep breath, raise your hand, and let your voice be heard. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you participate more actively in your learning adventures. See you in the next video.